Breaking news. Federal government urges High Court to dismiss Nnamdi Kanus motion. You're welcome to today's news. Please listen to the end. The news details. A request made by the Nigerian government for the Federal High Court, Abuja, to dismiss an application by the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, leader Nnamdi Kanu has been rejected. The request was delivered by the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, and Minister of Justice, Mohammed Abubakar, to Justice Binta Uyanko after Kanus legal team walkouts. The allegedly staged walkout was made after the Department of State Services DSS operatives denied Kanus American lawyer Bruce Finn from entering the courtroom on Wednesday. Having decided to stage a walkout on the court, I urge my lord to dismiss the defendant's pending applications, said Abubakar. However, the judge declined the request. Staging a walkout on the court is a very serious offense, she said. I will not dismiss the applications. Let them be in the case file, but discuss with your lawyers so that their attitude can change. Justice Binta Uyanko then asserted that individuals wishing to attend the IPOB leader's trial must write a court for consideration, referring to a diplomat from the British British High Commission, who was in the courtroom to observe proceedings. The diplomat said he had written the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Toso, seeking his consent to attend Wednesday's sittings. The judge allowed the diplomat to be in the courtroom during the proceedings due to respect for the Chief Judge. However, she advised the diplomat to apply to her to observe any further proceedings in her court. The case was then adjourned until January 19th to 20th, 2022. The Attorney General of the Federation sent a request to Justice Binta Uyanko after Kanus legal team walkout, but Binta Uyanko declined the request, stating that a walkout on the court is a very serious offense, that she will not dismiss the applications. They will be in the case file, but discuss with your lawyers so they can change their attitude. The Department of State Services denied Kanus American lawyer Bruce Finn from entering the courtroom, and because of that, the lawyers to Nnamdi Kanu staged walkout from the courtroom, and because of that, Binta Uyanko had to rearrange the case of Nnamdi Kanu to January 19 and 20, 2022. But now, the American lawyer has said is going to drag Buhari government to International Criminal Court over violation of Nnamdi Kanu's rights. indigenous people of Biafra, has threatened to drag the government of President Muhammadu Buhari to the International Court of Justice over what it termed gross violation of the rights of his clients by the Nigerian government. Finn, who spoke to journalists in Abuja on Wednesday after Kanus' trial was adjourned to January 19th and 20th, 2022, also vowed to appeal to the United States Congress to consider sanctions against Nigeria. The lawyer noted that he has been denied access to Mr. Kanu 5 times, which according to him is a gross violation of his rights. I'm Nnamdi Kanu's international lawyer. I'm from the United States. Today was the 5th time I was told I could not enter the courtroom, despite a previous court order that Nnamdi Kanu could have access to any 3 persons he wanted to, Finn said. Because Finn, an American lawyer and international counsel to Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the IPOB, has threatened to drag the government of President Muhammadu Buhari to the International Court of Justice. I actually had the chance to talk to him briefly on his way to the courtroom, and it is clear in these 5 times that they are targeting me in particular. That is the reason why these proceedings did not hold. Finn said he had seen enough evidence to take the matter to international, since, according to him, it was obvious that the Nigerian courts are compromised. I am here to tell the Nigerians and the international community that I am taking this matter to the international tribunals because it is clear that Nigerian tribunals are compromised. This is an international working group in Geneva, the International Court of Justice, the International Criminal Court, and I'm going to the United States Congress, where I will be urging that sanctions be considered against Nigeria for gross violations of fundamental human rights. There is no human right more fundamental than the right of an accused to access a lawyer in a criminal case. The Attorney General of the Federation sent a request to the High Court, but it was declined. And the case of Nnamdi Kanu was adjourned to 19th and 20th, 2022. Thank you for always tuning in. Do have a blessed day.